I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your work. Back up the project and the content folder so changes are reversible. Next, open the saved/logs crash file and identify the module or call stack causing the fatal error. This tells you where to focus. Then, update Visual C++ redistributables and apply the latest UE4 hotfix matching your engine version. Once done, remove temporary derived data cache and intermediate folders to force clean rebuilds, which often clears corrupted cached binaries and assets. Now you move into detailed repair. Delete binaries, intermediate, and derived data cache, then regenerate project files using the Upreject context menu or the Unreal Build tool. If you have Source Engine, compile in Visual Studio and watch for compile time errors that point to missing APIs. Disable non-essential plugins and third-party DLLs because incompatible plugins frequently cause fatal crashes. Once you rebuild, launch the editor with log to capture startup output and confirm whether the previous error persists or shifts to a new Finish by isolating the problem. Open a clean level and progressively load assets or blueprints to find the exact crash trigger. If it's hard to reproduce, enable symbols and use Windows Event Viewer or crash dumps to get native stack traces that reveal faulty modules. Once identified, fix the asset, update the plugin, or patch the code and rebuild. If none of this works, revert to your backup and prepare a bug report with logs, steps to reproduce, engine build, and screenshots for engine support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.